Good afternoon. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are going to talk about parts of speech. As we have already completed the kinds of sentences, now we have to know what each parts of speech. Parts of speech indicates how the words function in a sentence. There are many kinds of parts of speech, so it is not possible to complete all of them in one class. So it is the part 1 of parts of speech. According to Frank Palmer, the sentence is a combination of words and parts of speech are the classes of words. So you see, by the definition given by Frank Palmer, it is quite clear that the words within a sentence fall under any of the parts of speech and it suggests its class. So what are the parts of speech? There are 8 kind of parts of speech which you can see on the screen now. 8 kinds: noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. And you know, all of them have their different functions. Today I will give you a short definition for each of these parts of speech, but yes, I will take some more classes to elaborate all of them. First of all, noun. Noun is nothing but naming word. You see, from this phrase it is quite clear that what a noun can be. Noun is a naming word which suggests name. It can be the name of a person, it can be the name of a thing, it can be the name of a place. Pronoun. Pronoun is replacing word. What is the meaning of replacing? It replaces a noun. You know, when we write any essay or paragraph, and if we use one word again and again and again, it becomes quite boring to hear. That is why that pronoun are used in the sentences. For example, if I say, Sam is going to school, Sam is reading in that school, Sam is a very good boy, Sam is dancing well. You see, if I say Sam, Sham, Sham, Sham in all those sentences, when we are listening, it is very bad to hear. But if I say Sam is going to school, he is a good student, then you see, when we use he instead of Sham, it sounds better. So this is the function of a pronoun. Pronoun is replacing word. Talking about adjective, adjective is the describing word which helps to describe noun and pronoun. Verb. Verb is the action word. There are many kinds of verbs. Now I am talking, talk is a verb. You are seeing the video, see is the verb. So in that way, any kind of action is called verb. Now the next one, adverb. Adverb is something which helps to qualify or modify adjective, verb and adverb itself. Then comes preposition. Preposition creates a relation between the main noun with the other words of the sentences. If I say Ram is going to school, we have to use the word to. Otherwise, the sentence is not okay. So that to is functioning as the preposition in this sentence. Then comes conjunction. Conjunction means I can say connection. It connects to words or to phrases or to clauses or to sentences. And the last one, interjection. When I have discussed about exclamatory sentence, I have told you some words, exclamatory words. Actually, they are the interjections. which helps us to express our feelings, just like hooray, alas, ouch, etc. In my next video, I will discuss one after another parts of speech. First, we will talk about noun, then pronoun, and then all. Okay, so please stay tuned for more videos, and if you find it useful, then please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and like, comment, and share with your friends who can be beneficial from my video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.